Hey there, have you ever wondered why, despite your best efforts, your house is still cluttered? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this common dilemma. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into the all-too-familiar clutter issue in our homes. I'm sure many of you can relate to the frustration of decluttering only to find the mess creeping back in. Let's explore why this happens and, more importantly, how we can tackle it head-on. One of the main reasons our decluttering efforts often fall short is our emotional attachments to items. Whether it's sentimental value or the fear of letting go, these emotions can hinder our progress. Additionally, many struggle with a lack of organizational skills, making it challenging to maintain a tidy space. These obstacles can make it seem like a never-ending battle against clutter. And let's not forget the common mistake of decluttering without a clear plan. It's one thing to get rid of items, but another to maintain a clutter-free space. Before we dive into the solutions, if you're enjoying our content, please subscribe to our channel for more tips on minimalist living and decluttering. Now, let's explore some practical tips and strategies to effectively declutter and maintain a tidy living space. 1. Set clear goals. Start by setting clear, achievable goals for your decluttering process. Break down the task into smaller, manageable steps. For example, tackle one room or even one drawer at a time. This makes the process less overwhelming and more manageable. 2. Use the 4-box method. When decluttering, use the 4-box method. Keep, donate, sell, and toss. This helps you categorize your items and make decisions more efficiently. It's also a great way to see the progress you're making. 3. Create an organization system. Develop a system that works for you and your lifestyle. Use storage solutions like bins, shelves, and labels to keep everything in its place. This not only helps in keeping your space tidy, but also makes it easier to find things when you need them. 4. Adopt a one-in, one-out policy. For every new item you bring into your home, commit to letting go of one existing item. This helps maintain balance and prevents clutter from building up again. 5. Establish daily habits. Incorporate daily habits that promote a clutter-free environment. Simple routines like tidying up before bed, putting things back in their designated spots, and doing a quick daily declutter can make a big difference. If you have made it to the 5th point, then consider subscribing to this channel as it kindly shows you like the content and it keeps us going to create more videos like this. The key to maintaining a clutter-free home lies in changing our habits and mindset. By adopting a more minimalist approach and being intentional with our possessions, we can prevent clutter from accumulating in the future. Remember, it's not just about decluttering once. It's about creating lasting habits that promote a tidy and stress-free living space. Let's recap what we've discussed today. Decluttering is not just about tidying up. It's about creating a space that promotes mental well-being and productivity. By addressing the root causes of clutter and implementing practical strategies, we can transform our homes into peaceful sanctuaries. I'd love to hear about your decluttering journey. Share your experiences and tips you've found helpful in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more organizing inspiration, check out our next video on effective organizing tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.